Easy, I'm Jordan Aleppo, and this is my bike check. ODI, stay strong grips, Federal drop bars, 10-inch high, they've been cut down a little bit. Federal H stem, Federal drop forks, Federal Stevie Churchill frame in 21, with some custom graphics, Geotech design from 70s. Federal cranks in 175. I'm running some prototype Federal pedals, Primo Simmons sprocket in 25 tooth, Primo tripod, seat and seat post. Back wheel, I'm running a Primo remix cassette. Front wheel, Primo M4 flangeless, Primo WLT tyres in 2.3, Primo binary plastic pegs, I'm running the longer ones, and Shadow half link chain. I want to thank Federal Bikes, Primo, Vans, Pigeon BMX Shop, and stay strong. Thanks for watching my bike check. Subscribe to the come up for more videos.
Hola, this is Vicente Candel and this is my bike check. I run the Beniel grips with plastic barons. I ride the Beniel 4-piece bar, 8.85. It's the first time I'm riding the 4-piece bar and it feels so good. The stem